What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here as always, and I'm back with another bang. Today is another head scarf head wrap Gele tutorial video, so let's keep watching. Today we're going to use a silk material, actually two silk materials. So I've got the white one and I've got the gold one. So now, because the gold one is slightly longer than the white, so I folded both silk scarf in, and then I tied them at the back, and once I had my knot, I just placed it on my head and started tying from the back, and I crossed it in front, as you can see over here. So once that was done, I crossed it and I crossed at the back, and as you can see, I was taking all of my hair out so I don't tie it with the scarf. Guys, I advise you to have your hair in a donut and a bun away in a wig cap, because it's going to be distracting and it's going to be interrupting what you're trying to do. So I did that and I crossed it at the back and then brought it round to the front. I was going to put it over each other, and I thought, oh, why not twist it and change the colors? So this is me trying to fold it again, and then I later thought, let's make it change and let's have a twist. So I twisted it at the back. So I had the gold on the other side and I had the white on the other side. So that kind of gave it a different look, and I actually liked it that I did that. So I did that and I just brought it around again to the top, and then I did that for the other side, and that was it, guys. Keep watching. The rest of the video is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let you guys enjoy it. Watch closely. All right, guys, that's the end of today's tutorial. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I, Lizzie Atkins, upload new content. Follow me on social media, all of the social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok at Lizzie Atkins. Let's be friends, let's stay connected, and let's share all our lovely videos together. I would love to see them. And for now, remain blessed, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Mwah!
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am a